The limbic system is a complex network of structures in the brain responsible for various essential functions related to emotions, behavior, motivation, memory, and smell. It is often associated with emotional control and memory formation, being one of the oldest parts of the human brain in evolutionary terms. At the heart of the limbic system is the hippocampus, a vital structure for the formation of new memories and spatial navigation. The hippocampus helps convert short-term memories into long-term memories, and is crucial for recalling spatial information, such as the location of objects in the environment. Another key structure of the limbic system is the amygdala, which plays a central role in processing emotions, especially those related to fear and aggression. The amygdala helps regulate emotional reactions and can directly influence how we respond to threatening or stressful situations. The hypothalamus, also part of the limbic system, is crucial for the regulation of various autonomic and behavioral functions. It helps control hunger, thirst, body temperature, circadian rhythms, and sexual behavior, as well as being involved in stress responses and emotions. The cingulate gyrus is another important structure, responsible for mediating emotional behaviors and decision-making. It connects the limbic system with other parts of the brain, facilitating the integration of emotional and cognitive information. The septal area is associated with pleasure, often activated during pleasurable activities such as eating or having sex. It is also involved in the modulation of emotional and motivational states, contributing to the sensation of reward. The mammillary bodies are small but significant structures, involved in the formation of episodic memories. They receive information from the hippocampus and retransmit it to other brain areas, facilitating the integration and recall of past events. The orbitofrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, plays a crucial role in decision-making and reward processing. It helps evaluate the consequences of actions and adjust behaviors according to received rewards and punishments. The nucleus accumbens is a structure heavily involved in reward and pleasure circuits. It is activated by stimuli that provide pleasure and plays a significant role in addiction and the motivation to seek rewards. The insula, though not traditionally part of the limbic system, is involved in emotional perception and awareness of bodily states. It helps integrate sensory and emotional information, contributing to the conscious experience of emotions. The limbic system also interacts with the prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for complex thought, planning, and social behavior. This interaction is crucial for emotional regulation and decision-making based on emotions and reasoning. The limbic system is deeply interconnected with the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions like heart rate, digestion, and respiration. This connection allows emotions to directly influence the body's physiological responses. Synaptic plasticity, or the ability of connections between neurons to change and adapt based on experience, is a fundamental characteristic of the limbic system. This enables it to learn and adapt based on new emotional experiences and memories. The limbic system also plays a crucial role in motivation and goal-seeking behavior. It influences goal-directed behaviors, helping prioritize actions that promote survival and well-being. Alterations or damage to the limbic system can lead to various emotional and behavioral disorders. For example, damage to the hippocampus can result in amnesia, while dysfunctions in the amygdala may be associated with anxiety disorders. The limbic system is involved in the experience of various emotions, including joy, sadness, anger, and surprise. These emotions are essential for social communication and environmental adaptation. Evolutionary theory suggests that the limbic system evolved to help animals process emotional and behavioral information more efficiently, increasing their chances of survival and reproduction. Research indicates that the limbic system is activated during the practice of meditation and other relaxation techniques, suggesting that these practices may have beneficial effects on emotional regulation and mental well-being. Neuroimaging studies have revealed that the limbic system is highly active during the experience of intense emotions, both positive and negative. This highlights its central role in mediating emotional responses. The interaction between the limbic system and the endocrine system is fundamental for the stress response. The hypothalamus, in particular, triggers the release of hormones that prepare the body for fight or flight. The limbic system is also involved in the perception of pleasure and reward, influencing behaviors such as eating, drinking, and seeking social and material rewards. Studies suggest that the limbic system may be involved in empathy and the ability to recognize and respond to others' emotions, which is crucial for social interaction. The amygdala in particular is involved in threat detection and preparing the body to respond to potential dangers, being a key component of the fear response. The hippocampus not only helps form new memories, but also plays a role in spatial navigation and orientation. It allows animals, including humans, to move and find their way in their environments. Neurogenesis, or the formation of new neurons, occurs in the hippocampus throughout life, suggesting that this structure has a unique capacity for continuous adaptation and learning. The anterior cingulate cortex, part of the cingulate gyrus, is involved in mood regulation and pain perception. It helps integrate emotional and physical information, influencing behavior. The limbic system is also associated with odor processing, with the olfactory bulb transmitting olfactory information directly to various limbic structures, influencing emotions and memories. Animal studies have shown that electrical stimulation of certain parts of the limbic system can induce strong emotions, such as fear or pleasure, demonstrating its direct role in emotional control. Human research indicates that limbic system dysfunctions may be associated with various psychiatric disorders, including depression, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. The limbic system is also fundamental for forming affective and social bonds, influencing attachment and bonding behaviors between individuals. The interaction between the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex is crucial for emotional regulation and informed decision-making. This relationship allows emotions to influence cognition and vice versa. Activation of the limbic system during stressful experiences suggests that it plays a central role in the stress response, preparing the body to face or avoid threats. The limbic system is highly plastic, meaning it can change and adapt based on experience and learning. This is essential for memory formation and emotional adaptation. The limbic system is also involved in pain modulation, with certain areas helping regulate the perception and emotional response to pain. Studies have shown that exposure to emotional stimuli can alter limbic system activity, suggesting that emotional experiences have a direct impact on brain functions. The limbic system is fundamental for sleep regulation and circadian rhythms, with the hypothalamus playing a crucial role in synchronizing sleep-wake cycles. The interaction between the limbic system and the immune system suggests that emotions and stress can directly influence physical health, affecting the body's immune response. The limbic system is also involved in taste perception, with the interaction between smell and taste influencing the experience of eating and drinking. Studies indicate that the limbic system may be involved in time perception, helping regulate the sensation of time passage and the anticipation of future events. The limbic system is a complex and interconnected network that plays a central role in mediating emotions and forming memories. It influences a wide range of behaviors and physiological functions, being essential for survival and well-being. Understanding the limbic system is crucial for studying human emotions and motivational behaviors, providing valuable insights into how the brain processes and responds to different stimuli. The limbic system is highly sensitive to hormonal changes, which may explain why certain emotions and behaviors are influenced by hormonal levels, such as during puberty or pregnancy. The interaction between the limbic system and the motor system suggests that emotions can directly influence movements and posture, affecting the physical expression of emotions. Neuroimaging studies have shown that the limbic system is activated during the experience of music, suggesting that music can have a direct impact on emotions and motivation. Limbic system stimulation has been explored as a potential therapy for certain emotional disorders, with research investigating how modulating limbic activity can influence mood and behavior. The limbic system is also involved in the perception of social rewards, such as approval and recognition from others, influencing social and group behaviors. The connection between the limbic system and episodic memory suggests that emotions have a profound impact on how we remember past events, with emotional memories often being more vivid and lasting. The limbic system plays a role in aggression regulation, with certain areas influencing aggressive behaviors and responses to threats. Understanding the limbic system is fundamental for effective neuroscience, the field that studies how the brain processes and regulates emotions. The study of the limbic system continues to evolve, with new research revealing insights into its complexity and multiple functions in human experience. The limbic system is an integral part of the human brain, essential for emotional regulation, memory formation, and motivation. Its complexity and interconnectedness make it a fascinating field of study in neuroscience. Emotions are mediated by a complex network of limbic structures that work together to process and respond to emotional stimuli. The limbic system is also involved in risk perception and decision-making under uncertainty, influencing how we evaluate and respond to uncertain situations. The interaction between the limbic system and the vestibular system suggests that emotions can influence the perception of balance and movement, affecting posture and motor coordination. The limbic system is crucial for appetite regulation and eating behavior, with the hypothalamus playing a central role in controlling hunger and satiety. Studies suggest that the limbic system may be involved in the experience of empathetic pain, helping us feel and respond to others' pain, which is essential for empathy and social cooperation. The plasticity of the limbic system allows it to adapt and change based on experience, which is fundamental for emotional learning and memory formation. The limbic system is also involved in body temperature regulation, with the hypothalamus helping maintain thermal homeostasis. Understanding the limbic system is fundamental for treating emotional and behavioral disorders, providing insights into how different interventions can modulate limbic activity and improve well-being.